3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to be doing a product review on GE Cafe's new fridge with the platinum glass exterior. It's an excellent fridge, looks super attractive on the outside, and it is truly matched on the inside. We're just going to go over a couple features here. It still comes with GE's autofill, which senses the pitcher water, the glass of water, whatever, and fill it up automatically for you. You got crushed or cubed ice over on this side, which you can change between the two. You can turn the lights off, all that stuff, all your settings, control lock, door alarm, all that kind of stuff. I'll turn that on just for the sake of so you can hear it. All right, so on the inside of the fridge, as you can see, lovely like rose gold trim around the shelving, on the temperature control doors, all that kind of stuff. It looks really attractive. You've got your LED wall back here. Model number on this is going to be CQ28DM, and this is obviously the platinum glass finish as well. So you have your humidity controlled system. So on this drawer specifically, as you can see, it's got this like really funky looking glass right there, tempered glass, which will keep everything fresher for longer, like your salads, all your fresh fruit and veggies, all that kind of stuff, which is super cool. This collapses, so you can stack anything that's taller up in here. All the shelves on the sides are removable. You got your dairy bin right up here as well, so all the eggs or butter or whatever you want to put in there can go in there. And then we'll talk about the freezer. The right one, you can change the temperature. If you just hold this button down for 3 seconds, it actually gives you a little countdown. Once that goes, you can switch between the 3 settings, which would be either freezer, refrigerator, or chiller. I'll leave it on chiller for right now, just to kind of emphasize the fact that in here we do have a wood trim, some more rose gold trim, but on this top rack here, obviously you have this for, whether it's white wine, bottles of soda, whatever you want to put in there, you can kind of line that all up, and it's got a really nice look to it as well. Another thing about, actually both sides I suppose we could talk about now, is it doesn't look like a ton of space, but it is a ton of space. So it splits out to actually be like 6 cubic feet per side. So realistically, you can actually change this section all into freezer space and just use this as beverages if you want. I mean, me myself, I don't use a lot of freezer space, and if you look inside this bin right here, that is a ton of space for whatever you might need. Same on this one, and then you also have 3 bins. So as opposed to having this space right here, you got this right here. Also, another cool safe spacing thing is that this is glass right here, so you can actually slide anything you want on top of there as well, which kind of offers you a little bit more refrigerator space. These bins right here will tilt forward. I haven't quite decided why, but it's cool, and it looks really cool. So, and we actually have this on sale right now for $39.59, which is a really good deal, about $400 off. It's an excellent piece, really attractive, quality throughout. Yeah, and if you can check this out on our website as well at appliancefactory.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.